Hello, fourth graders. This is Miss Sheng here. I'm going to talk to you guys about some units of measurement. This is a new topic. We have not yet covered it, so I want you guys to watch this video to learn a little bit more about these different units, okay? You all should be familiar with minutes and hours. These are two units that measure time. And when you're thinking about minutes versus hours, minutes is the shorter one, and hours is the longer one. So minutes is shorter, hours is longer. An example of something that could be timed in minutes is maybe how long it takes you to make a sandwich, how long it takes you to do your, how long it takes you to take an AR quiz, maybe how long it takes you to unpack your backpack. Those are different things that you could measure in minutes. In terms of hours, some things you could measure in hours. That would be something like how long a school day is, or how long you sleep during the night, or how long it takes to get to a different state, maybe Florida if you're going on a road trip, okay? So those are minutes versus hours. Now we're going to look at grams and kilograms. This is the metric units for weight. And in the metric system, it's called mass. It's the amount of matter an object has, or how much something weighs, okay? So I'm going to put weight next to it. Grams is smaller than kilograms. Kilograms are the longer units, okay? Or the bigger, right? So you would measure a smaller object in grams, and this wouldn't be longer, this would be larger. Larger, not longer, I should say larger. You would measure your larger units in kilograms. So for example, if I wanted to measure a dollar bill or a Post-it note or a paper clip, I would want to weigh my unit or my object in grams. If I was measuring a car or a large animal or a couch or something that's big, I would want to measure that in kilograms because it's my larger unit. It's just like ounces versus pounds. You would weigh something small in ounces and you'd weigh something bigger like a human or something in pounds. Now when we look at liters and milliliters, this is talking about liquid. And when we're measuring liquid, we're talking about capacity. And capacity is just how much a container can hold, okay? So it's the liquid. So I'll put liquid next to it or underneath of it so you guys remember what it means. Liters is bigger, so more. And milliliters is less. Okay, so if I'm measuring something in liters, if you think of a 2 liter, okay, that you might have at a birthday party or you might buy from the store. If you have a 2 liter of Coke, that would be measured in liters. But if you're taking medicine, maybe if you have a headache and you're taking liquid medicine, you might take 10 milliliters of medicine. Or if you have eye drops or ear drops, the little eyedropper, that would be measured in milliliters because it's a smaller capacity. Now we're going to talk about centimeters and kilometers. This is length or distance. Okay. Centimeters is smaller, so shorter distance versus a longer distance. If I was measuring something in centimeters, I could measure this clip right here, this chip clip. This could be measured in centimeters. You could measure your phone in centimeters. You could measure a marker in centimeters. Something that's small, not too big, okay? Kilometers is longer distances. So that's like if a plane flew from America to Europe, okay? Or if you drove from Kentucky to California. Those are some times when you would want to use kilometers. So what you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to go through and you're going to write which unit you would use. Would you use a time unit, a mass, a capacity, or length? And then you got to determine, would it be more reasonable to use minutes or hours, or grams or kilograms, or liters or milliliters, centimeters or kilometers, okay? So those are some things you're going to need to think about. There are a total of 8 questions. You will complete those using this word box. Each word is used 1 time, okay? If you guys have any questions about these different types of measurement, please reach out to me and I would be happy to help you. Have a good day.